Good afternoon everyone, especially to you ma'am, good afternoon. And now my topic is all about method and materials must implement the taking actions. So here are the example. Number 1. Lesson using basic steps and parts as prescribed by Deep Ed Order 70 Series in 2012 for teachers. 2 years and less in service. So let's continue. Based on my research in lesson plan format, 7 is. So first, we have objectives. Then letter A, content standards. So content standard and performance standards, learning competency, it is based on the curriculum guide. And also, letter D, specific objectives. So the specific objectives, which is your intended learning outcomes. It's contained learning resource. So letter E, reference. So you put your references. And letter B, other learning resource. Then letter C, materials such as Manila paper, pictures, materials that you are going to use in your lesson. Now let's continue the procedure. So of course, as you can see, the procedure, there's are 2 columns. So the teacher's activity, the pupil's activity. So in the teacher's activity, you should put the preparatory activities, year, ratings, action song, checking of attendance, or agreement. And of course, letter B, illicit. So illicit, which is the review. And then next, explore. Let the students explore your topic, and then explain, elaborate, and the evaluate. Last is the extend, and after that you put the remarks and the reflections. So that's all. And now let's continue finding out what has been achieved, assessing achieved outcomes. So at the end of the activity, the teachers will find out if the intended learning outcomes have been converted into learning outcomes, or ELO. So this column, the finding out what has been achieved or assessing achieved outcomes, which is after all the lesson, after the end of the lesson, if the intended learning outcomes will be achieved, or the learning outcomes will be achieved also.